Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna be making my Bulbasaur Makeup in the name of the Pokemon Makeup series, and I'm using this book and I'm gonna be using as a reference Bulbasaur and all his evolutions. And this book is a collector's edition, but yeah, it was my brother's when he was younger, so it's not perfect. And just to say, it says that with the newest Pokemons, and new is the last Pokemon in there, so that's the newest in the book. So then I'm using all the basics stuff that I usually use to do my makeups: my Maybelline Affinitone powder and what is it, foundation, and my Angel Well Skin Perfecting Primer from NYX, and I'm using my Miss Spot is so clear, but I couldn't find a picture of that, so I left that out. Then I'm using my Imagic, what is this? 12 flash color case. Face and body paint first, the brownish color, to do a little contouring on my face. Mostly I do contouring because I like to shape my jawline and my nose, so I just want to make my nose smaller and my jawline a little bit smoother, or how to say, pointier a little bit. So that's why I'm doing that. And then I'm using my NYX In Your Element Wing eyeshadow palette with the light blue color, the lightest blue, and I'm just gonna be doing all the bases everywhere, base coloring. And before that I used my NYX HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base, because that helps a lot. An eyeshadow base is a must have. Then I'm using my NYX In Your Element Air palette, and I'm using the only blue color here no, not the blue, sorry, the green color. Then I'm using the blue color from here, and I like these colors because Bulbasaur has this blue body with the green leaves, but because I was like, that's not enough color, that's why I choose, and I don't want to do all the Pokemons from the book, that's why I choose Bulbasaur and all his or her, but all Bulbasaur evolutions as the reference and to use it, because then we have more colors, like I can use browns and pinks. And after I finished my eyeshadows, I used the Imagic 12 flash color case again to do a green eyeliner, because I have green eyeliners but they are too hard and I can't draw beautiful lines with them. I can only paint beautiful lines. Then I'm using again the 12 flash color case to do my eyebrows. At the outer corner or at the outer side of my eyebrows I used pink, and the inner side I used brown, and I just mixed them in, or they just mixed in the middle, and it looked so nice. I loved these eyebrows so much, they look super cute. Then I'm using my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream eyeshadow palette. You know, I love to use this palette for highlighting, and I used 3 colors from it, and the blue one, the green one, and the pink one, because I used the pink one on my lips, I used the green one under my eyebrows, and I use the blue one everywhere, as that I usually use highlighter, and it turned out super nice. And I just used the simple pink lipstick. I loved it so much because it was so cute at the end. I'm gonna use this lipstick a lot more. So that's the finished look, and just for comparison, here's the book next to my makeup. Yes, I think I nailed it. I like this makeup, looks super nice. So that was it. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of links in the description that you should check out. Please listen so you can see comment section. see you next video. Bye.